canned enchilada sauce. This is the water for my jars. This is the big old pot of enchilada sauce. We're going to can it up today. It takes 40 minutes to can it in the water bath canner. You'll need 12 cups of tomatoes, water, bottled water, chili powder, 6 teaspoons, cumin, 2 teaspoons, oregano, 2 teaspoons, garlic powder, 2 teaspoons, coriander, 2 teaspoons, and canning salt, 1 1/2 tablespoons. And the water has to be water from a bottle at the store. Then you'll need to put inside your canning jars some lemon juice from a bottle, not the real lemon. It'll say concentrated lemon, that's what you need. And you'll put it in the water bath canner for 40 minutes. It should make 7 16-ounce jars. Here's the recipe. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube.